Hello guys, in this video we are going to see about what is MCP in agentic applications. Okay, MCP means, as we see here, MCP mostly commonly refer to the Model Context Protocol, an open standard that allow AI agent to securely and reliable connect with the external tool and data source. So we know that in the agentic AI application, we can connect with the tools without using MCP. But when the system grows gradually, it will be difficult to maintain the model, and also it's difficult to connect with some external model. So for that purpose, we are going to use the MCP. It's like the USB. Just connect that models with this in the server. The server will connect to the client and the MCP concept. Just we can connect like a USB plug in our system. Okay, so basically, so we can see here. So the purpose of MCP is in the large language model, the large knowledge most will be limited. For example, if you take any LLM, like Gemini, like Cloud, and any other like GPT, the models have the general informations. Even if you have the huge information, it have a general and open public informations. If you need to connect with the external our private data, we need to connect with the external source. So we cannot, even if you plan for the fine tune, every time we need to fine tune. So it will not be the correct way. So if we need to get the latest frequently updated data, we need to connect with the RAG concept and like this MCP way. Okay, so it will allow us to make the data as a scalable, useful, and automate. So this have the concept of MCP server, MCP client, MCP host. MCP server, this is the server. In the server, we created multiple tools like calculations, API, any format we can keep multiple tools. These tools will be added in the server is hosted in some places. We can, even if we can use in our own local system or we can server. So this server will connect in the um, with the client. This is available with the side of the agentic applications in the LLM with LLM. So when the LLM will do any actions, it will call the client. It will send message to the relevant. It will go and check the relevant tool from the server and do the execution and get the result. So this is the basic way how the MCP protocol is working. So as you see in the image here, this is the client also available added in the agentic applications, this side, client side. So this is the MCP server. So each server we can keep for this MCP server. This is the one tool connect with the server, and we can keep a different port format, port number also. So this is another different server, keep in different tool, kind of different tool. When this LLM send based on the action decision, it will send the request to the client. This client will send, find, and check the. As per the LLM, it will go and get the related tool details. Then it will execute it in the server. So this informations we will use as a result of the agentic AI. In more than one step, we have the corrective agentic, right? Corrective RAG. That means even if we get the result from the MCP, if the information not available, we can still go to the web search. After web search also, we can check with the LLM this is correct or not. Based on the query what we are sending, we can check it's correct or not. Based on the result, we can move further. So this is the way MCP is working. So we will see now the small the basic code structure how MCP work in the coding. Okay, so here I keep clock API. So in the client, this is the client part. I install all the requirement LCP grok, MCP adapter, MCP, and LangChain. So in the client, I added all the I imported all the relevant document informations, libraries, and the APIs, the grok APIs. So this is the MCP client added in the agentic applications as a client side. So this is the, as we are going to use asynchronous AIO for this. So multi-server MCP client, we can use fast MCP to connect with the applications here, right? We can also that also we can use that also. So here, what these are the tools we are using in the server. We will consider this as a server, calculator, and weather. This is the as of now we can run keep in the local. So in the MCP, so we are using same like fast API. We are using here fast MCP. So math, we creating the tool. This tool for calculating the numbers, and this is for adding multiple everything. It will run in the local, right? So this is two tools in the MCP server. This is the weather another tool in the MCP server. So this is a server having the tool. This will be connected in the client available in the AJDK applications. Okay, so this is a calculator. This is a tool because it's a local. Local means it have multiple. If you can go, you can see when you go here. Here it will connect with the calculator because it's the local. It will add as a stdio format. Another one we can have, we can keep as a we can host in some other place with the hosted IP address and the port. This one we keep as a streamable HTTP. So based on the record, for example, this is the MCP server. We keep the tool. This is the client. We are running the executions. So based on the, now we have in this one, await in this one we have the list of tools. The core we, as a LLM, we added this model we added here. So create React agents. So we add the model and the tools here. Okay. So here we are invoking. In the invoke to this agent, this model and the tool, it will say what is 3 plus 5. When it's sent, it will go and check. It will check here in this agent. When it check here, it will go to the model and tool. It will go check this related tools in the server. Okay. Then it will go and take this one as a tool, and that it will run here, run in the server, return the result. Result we will keep as a in the content format. We can get this result. So this is the way the how MCP is added working in the um, code as a server and client format. Okay, so we will add this concept in the project, upcoming projects. One full-fledged project, you'll see their full details. So I thought I explained here in the simple way how MCP is used here in the agentic AI applications as a client and server format. I hope you all understand. So thank you for joining us. View this video. You can see all the videos. Everything is related with one by one. I will add more videos in upcoming. Please subscribe us. Thank you.